Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to connect wireless neckband on realme mobile phone through Bluetooth. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to on this wireless neckband. Okay, so if you don't know how to turn on, what you need to do is that this is the middle button. You just press the middle button like this as you are switching on the mobile phone. Okay, just switch on it. So when you switch on, the color will be blue orange like this. Okay, so after that, now let's move on this realme mobile phone setting. Then here you have to search the Bluetooth. Here is the connected devices, so click on Bluetooth. Here is the pair new devices option, so let's pair the, it should be like ptron. Okay, because this is the ptron company. No, you can select any company also, but it should be here. Okay, available device. Okay, it will be here. Okay, so let's wait for a minute. So here it's taking time, so I'm pausing the video. Okay, when it's taking time, okay, when load I will be starting the video. So here the option has came when switching on. Okay, ptron bt, or maybe if you are in the another company, then it will be in the another company. And here is the ptron bt, so click on ptron bt. Sorry, here. And now it's right now it's pairing. Okay, it will pair together. So here is the pair option, click on pair. So here right now it has been connected. Now you can play the music too. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.